Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are now at Hurst View. I think it's Hurst View, or it's just a Hurst campsite at Leamington. And there's quite a few here. It was okay for me because they charge $12.50 a night per person. So, yeah. They've all had to pay 25 quid a night. I've had to pay... No, they've all had to pay £12 a night. No, yeah, £25 a night, and I had to pay £12 a night. So, anyway. Look here. He's got to have some of his own medicine now, isn't he? Let's have a look. How'd you turn this damn thing on? Alright. There you go. How'd you press record? I don't know how you press record on this. Let's have a look. Put my glasses on, it's better. Any idea? How'd you start recording? Mode. Where's the button? Oh, it's on the top. It's hidden by that. That's it. Now, we got a womble. And we got a camera. And I'm not going to do no cleavages or nothing like that for him, because they're a pain. But I think he's bloody stupid. He's left this out all night again. So, there you go. I'll give you a bit of a view. That's enough for him. So, don't say that I said that about him, because he gets upset. There you go. That'll teach him. Yeah, so I'll just take a wander down to the beach. Well, it's a long way down. It is for my little legs. It's a long way in my little legs, but it's a 10-minute walk for everybody else. So I'll see you down there. I got the drone with me. Running and walking bird migration trails. Yeah. Can't work out where we are. Anyway. And it's not a very good, it's well and truly faded. Leamington Key Haven Nature Reserve. Oh, that's it, we're right in the middle there. And that's the start of the trail. I've done this 3 times now, a long time ago. Oh, let's start walking, eh? Shall we walk? I don't know, I'm not going to follow the trails. Something tells me I should, though. Yeah, let's follow the trails. No, let's walk across the grass. I can see the lighthouse over there. There's the Needles of the Isle of Wight. That is the Isle of Wight, the other side there. I'm hoping to go there Friday. It'll either be Friday or Monday. I'm going to catch a ferry and I'm going to go to Yarmouth on the Isle of Wight and see what it's like from there. This is just a view over some of the marshes, and I don't know whether you can see them, but right in the middle there's about 4 or 5 geese and a load of goslings just wandering across the dried out bit. a pond is full of them over there, and seagulls. There's the lighthouse. Looking good, looking quiet, lovely and peaceful. Lots of butterflies and bees. Two bees there together. Butterfly there. They're all over the place. Fair dues. It's nature. We get a little bit closer now. I can see ducks. Oh, herring. That was a big herring. There you go. Now we're up and close. Turn. Hello, whack, whack, whack. Any goslings on there, though? No, ducklings. Not a care in the world. More in. Yeah, those more hens are in the water. There's two ducks, two more hens. More hen up there. Tern coming by me. And I can see fish jump in there. So it has got food in there. Yeah. There he goes again. He was definitely fishing. Steps. Oh. And then we come out onto the Solent. So that's not far to walk. So out onto the Solent. Last time I did walk down the bank and walk along the front, but I'm not doing it now. The sun's come out. Still quite a bit of cloud in the sky. Today's Monday and Sunday yesterday. Late afternoon it clouded over quite a lot, and we did get a little bit of sun, rain as well. Only a few drops, enough to move us under the warnings. Another push bike. There. That sun is absolutely scorching. And now I'm going out on this jetty. Smell the seaweed. Lots of little tiny little fish. Let's have a look on this side, because this is the clear side. Can't see any crab. Not seen signs of crab. It is clear though. Yeah. The dead clams and that give that away. Can't see anything other than the little tiny minnows which you won't pick up on this camera. Let's come this side. And it's shallower. So we get to this thing. I'm not going up and over. It is crystal clear, and the suns are reflecting on it. Can't see any big fish. Like that old boy that came along, he said it's mainly bass. There. That'll do me. There's always one that's got to spoil it. Look at it. "28 degrees already, and look, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Can't film for long because of the music."
Is he talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to me again. Hello, darling.
Hello.
Where are you going, Sue?
The rubbish bit. Don't
Okay.
film that.
Don't film me. You're in a public area. That's easy. I only got to twist my wrist. You've got to walk such a long way. This sun is so hot. It's unbearable. I never complain about the heat. I'm complaining about the heat.
Cold beer? Plenty of that.
Yeah, I got a cold beer down there, look.
I mean, the thing is, Kev, I've never known a cold sun.
Haven't you?
No, never known a cold sun. I mean, if it was a cold sun, then the planet
Well,
would be covered in ice.
That's why the Irish beat us in a rocket to the sun, because they went at night time. There's crickets now. Because you're the only other idiot here. now give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Go on. Stick your finger in his mouth.
No, I'm good.
No, okay then. Right.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Wandering Wheelies. We're here with Kev Womble, and I just want to put out a little bit of an appeal. Kev hasn't got many subscribers, and we'd like to get him up and get people watching his videos, because not many people do. So links in the description. Please show him some love and subscribe to his channel. Thanks very much.
No, it's not ours. Look at that. What you having, Will? A long white.
Ham and chips.
Ham, egg and chips. What you having, Paul? All of it.
Yeah, hopefully.
What have
Fish
you
and
had? What's his name? Thingy Bob.
I've gone for the sausage.
The sausage.
Chips and beans.
Oh, Greg's like us.
Yeah.
We're all
That's
still
it,
empty.
we're waiting.
Yeah. Yeah. Why, there was customers between us, so yeah. I got that. That's the essential bit.
I got two.
Yeah. Will's lining them up. Will's stopping here to pay the bill. Right. What have I got?
Belly pork.
Belly pork. Belly pork.
Black pudding.
Black pudding. Crackling.
Sauce.
Huh?
Mustard sauce.
Mustard sauce. Chippies.
Yeah. Lamb shank. New potatoes. And veg.
And veg.
Lovely.
And they've had theirs. Will's having nothing still.
Yeah, I still haven't got mine.
Yeah. It's definitely a slower walk back from the pub than it is going. The sun's shining over there on the Isle of Wight, look. Right then, Mrs. Brown.
Haven't got up yet.
What did you get up to whilst the Brown boys were away?
We just had all the fun.
You just had all the fun without us.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Had all the fun drinking the gin.
Drinking? Yeah, look at it. By the pint. What did you do?
Have all the fun.
So you did nothing exciting then? Like we had a nice walk all the way down to the pub. And it's definitely longer coming back than it was going.
You look tired.
Worked it all coming back.
Yeah, we worked it off now. Go back.
And there we need to go
So-
again.
yeah. So we go back down and have a couple more. Will didn't drink all his Guinness.
Oh, I
did.
did.
Necked it.
He
I
did,
did.
necked it in the end.
I told you I was going to finish it. And I did. Can't waste your drink.
And isn't it bedtime for Wombles?
Yes. I'm just waiting for Mr. Virgo because if he wants beer, it's in my fridge.
Not to transplant a few in your house.
Yeah.